Hi, I'm Scott, and today I'm excited to show you our Delightly Readers or Leaders kit. Every kit is hand-selected and ready to give, whether that's to your recipient's desk or directly to their doorstep. Tucked within this magnetic closure box are items for the book lovers on your team. Praise your employee with a specifically curated kit they can enjoy from the comforts of home. We've got a sleek 10-ounce lowball Viking Tumbler that will make whatever they drink taste as good as it looks. Personalize this Delightly exclusive drinkware with your name or a logo of your choice. Need ideas? We've got a talented team and a catalog of designs for you to take advantage of to create the perfect moment of recognition. Now that you have our personalized tumbler, enjoy our Capri Cream loose leaf tea. Slight hits of cream and pineapple with a well-rounded taste, the perfect complement to your story of choice. Enhance the ambience while you read using our book lover themed 9-ounce Soy Wax Candle. This has the scent profile of lavender, lemon, and jasmine. When they curl up with a good book, give them some lighthearted humor. Are their current socks past due? Try our library card themed socks. Is your book too good to put down and now you need light to finish? Let your partner sleep while you use our LED folding tiny light. Bright enough to read at night without straining your eyes. The best item in the kit is our $10 Amazon gift card. A great gift card to get you a head start on your next can't put down read. Last but not least, all of our Delightly kits include a 3x5 card featuring a sweet sentiment. The back is blank for you to add a personal note or leave as is for ready to go giving. Personalized kits have the option of adding a typed note to the back of the card, or you can handwrite your own message. For the reader and leader in your life, this gift is perfect to give for a birthday, life milestone, or just to say thanks.